Hey everyone, I've gone back to school. Makeup school, that is. That's right, I'm taking courses at Online Makeup Academy, where upon completion, I will be a certified makeup artist. And I can't wait to tell you all about it and just the cool way that it came about. But while I'm doing that, I'm going to be putting on my foundation because obviously my channel is Foundation Lady, using some tips and tricks that I've learned from my instructors. Here we go. As I get started here, prepping and moisturizing my skin, I want to mention that I'm not being paid to talk about Online Makeup Academy, not a dime. The Academy very generously offered me the opportunity to take these classes in exchange for making a video giving you my honest review on it. You may notice that even though I'm working on my own face instead of a client, I'm attempting to follow the health and safety protocols, including the post-COVID sanitation guidelines, as I apply my makeup. That was a really big part of the course, which of course is so important, especially in today's day and age, that you know how to do these things safely. So I'm going to practice here today. So Online Makeup Academy was actually a physical school in New York for several years. And then of course, COVID happened. And then they came up with this wonderful idea of creating a school online. So you can go from anywhere in the world and you're getting a really great education from people who are actually working in the field, in the business. So let me give you a breakdown of how this works once you sign up. After you get your awesome makeup kit from the school, including brushes, you're going to be given a login and password. You're going to go online and start watching what I kind of call the basic videos, which are basically short videos explaining things like what comes in your makeup kit, what each brush is used for, updated safety and COVID protocols, and then really fun things like what should you wear as a professional makeup artist, what it means to be professional, how to be taken seriously, how to stand out, how to communicate effectively with your clients. So just a really great foundation, which for some people will be review and some people it will be completely new information. So one of the things that I really liked about this was that I can do it at my own pace. And, you know, I'm a busy mama. I'm sure most of you are really busy out there too. I wouldn't be able to do this if it was a physical school that I had to go to each day. It just wouldn't be feasible for me. So I really love that if I had, 15 minutes before I went to bed at night, I could go through and watch one of the courses. And if I want to go back and watch a course, I've done that several times to go back and watch a course and kind of remind myself of things. It keeps track for you of when you finish each, I shouldn't say course, I should say each lesson, and then it'll take you on to the next. And each lesson builds upon the one that you just learned. So it's a very logical progression and very easy to learn that way. So then once you get through the basics, you're on to the meat of the course. And this is what I loved. This is when we started talking about technique and contouring and face shapes and how to match shades to people. What else? Color correction, just all those things that I just absolutely eat up and love to learn about. And it's around this time that you're going to receive a video from your mentor or one of your instructors introducing themselves. And for me, it was Alana, and she's so sweet. And she said, "Hi, Jenny, I'm so excited for you to show me your work." And at that point, that's where you start getting the one-on-one coaching, which is incredible. It's the only school that offers one-on-one personalized feedback. And it's not like they give you your certificate and they just kick you out. You actually get lifetime mentorship. So you can come back as often as you need, as much as you need. And you also get the updated courses, which is great because, as with any art, it's always evolving. So it's great to know that you can come back for a lifetime and learn new things. Now, one of the best things I can say about it is that they've created this for everybody, every skin type, skin tone, ethnicity, face shape, age. And speaking of all that, I actually wanted to tell you the funny story of how this all came to be for me. I've always loved makeup, always been obsessive about it. I read all of my mom's old cosmetology books, her books by Way Bandy, Kevin O'Quan, any book, any information I could get about makeup, I just devoured. And for those of you who've seen my channel, you know that I'm obsessed with foundation. It's my favorite. I love to talk about it, read about it, swatch it, try it out. So I've wanted to start a foundation specific channel for years, but the only thing that stopped me was fear. fear of my flaws being seen, fear of being vulnerable. And of course, there are already so many people who do makeup tutorials and reviews so well that I kind of didn't want to get into this unless I felt like I had something new to offer. Okay, so here's where the story comes in on how I started taking classes at Online Makeup Academy. So about 2 months ago, I put up a video I was really proud of. I had worked super hard on it, and I received feedback from someone who was trying to be helpful, saying that maybe I should just leave the videos to the younger group because there's too much competition from them anyway. And for one quick second, my heart sank. But then I felt this determination bubble up inside of me like never before. This little voice that said, no, this is exactly why I'm doing this, because not only do we all deserve representation, but how many times do we get discouraged because someone tells us we're not enough? We're not smart enough, young enough, pretty enough, short enough, tall enough, skinny enough, fat enough, you know what I mean? And I remember saying in my head, just a quick prayer saying, I want to get better at this. And I kid you not, it was at that exact moment that I checked my email and I had the nicest message from Online Makeup Academy saying, we love your videos. So it was going kind of from low to really high, and they said, check us out. We're an accredited school. So I checked everything out. And then when I went online, I saw that some of my favorite YouTubers, including Smitha Deepak and Shelly, of course, from Geek Out of Water. So when I saw that these two of my favorite makeup artists had also taken these courses and learned from them, I was like, yeah, I'm in. I'm no longer letting fear hold me back. I am doing this. And I'm so happy that I am, because I'll admit, I am a proud nerd. I love learning things. I'm getting one-on-one instruction in makeup, my favorite subject. And I get this lifetime access to it, even after I complete my certification. And, oh, by the way, don't let me forget to tell you, one of the things I am most excited about for this is that upon completing my certification, I get my pro card, which means I get 40% off makeup. So it's through, I think it's called Friends Beauty and like Nigel Beauty, but they carry all these brands that I love. So it's like Makeup Forever, Anastasia Beverly Hills, NYX, Inglot. There's even Temptu and Beauty Blender. So, all these brands that I really, truly use, I can get like up to 40% off on. So I'm super pumped for that, obviously, because I love to buy makeup. So anyway, thank you, friends, for letting me just gush about this really exciting chapter in my life. And if you're interested in becoming a makeup artist, I'm doing this myself right now. I recommend it. It's basically everything you need to kickstart your career as a makeup artist, all put together in one. And Online Makeup Academy is graciously given me a discount code that I will link down below if you're interested in taking courses with them. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next foundation video. Have a beautiful day.